Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to install NVM and Node.js on Windows. So first, what is NVM? It's the Node version manager, and it's super useful if you work on different projects that need different versions of Node. It's not required, but it really helps. Step 1. Make sure Node.js isn't already installed. Go to your computer's settings, click Apps, and check if Node.js is there. If it is, uninstall it. Also, check your File Explorer. If any folders are left behind, delete those too. Now let's install NVM. There's a link in the description that takes you to Cory Butler's GitHub page. He's the one who made NVM for Windows. Click the file that says nvm-setup.exe to download it. Once it's downloaded, just open it and follow the steps to install. After that, open your terminal. You can do this in VS Code or just search for command prompt. Then type nginx copy edit nvm. adv hit enter, and it should show you the version of NVM you just installed. Now let's install Node.js using NVM. If you want the latest version, just type nginx copy edit nvm install latest. Or if you need a specific version, like 1620.2, type nginx copy edit nvm install 1620.2. Once it's installed, activate it. By typing perl copy edit nvm use 16.20.2. Then, to make sure it worked, type nginx copy edit node v. If you see a version number, you're good to go. Bonus tips. Want to see all installed versions? Type nvm list. Want to remove a version? Type nvm uninstall version. And if you ever want to uninstall everything, first, uninstall all Node versions using NVM. Then, go to the control panel, find NVM, and uninstall it like any other app. That's it. Hope this helped. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.